I went to the train museum for one of my summer day trips in another town in the state of Kentucky. I stopped at Arby's. Roast beef, cheese, and turkey liver, fries, hot Diet Coke for my beverage. And I went to the train museum as well. I went to see Southwest Kentucky. I had properties, rural areas, farm animals as well. Roast beef and trucks straight out to around Southwest Kentucky. I walked to the train museum. Historical trains read about the dates as well. And I looked at historical trains. Plus historical trains read about the dates as well. Southwest Kentucky. Southwest Kentucky. Properties, rural areas, farm animals as well. Trains out, sing with me, turn around, Southwest Kentucky.